So what take us through some of the steps of what the actual action plan was. So you have 7,000 cattle and you are making a decision to completely give that up for the health of the planet and your family. And what did you do? What did you do to keep your food on the table for your family? And how did you transition out?
Well, the first thing we looked at is that what we were doing was wrong and we had to quit doing it. But you have to remember, I owed millions of dollars. And so I couldn't just go and turn the animals loose. I had to sell them. I not only sold my livestock operation, I sold the farm, the wheat ground, and what I had left was the house that my wife and I and 5 children lived in. I had 127 acres of ground, and the rest was gone to settle the debts. Now, in Montana, 127 acres is like a parking lot. There's no way in the world you're going to make a living on that. And so here I was trying to figure out, what am I going to do to put food on the table for my family? Well, I had run for Congress, and I had run against a 6-term incumbent. I'd come within 4 percentage points of winning, and I thought, you know, what I ought to do is go to Washington, D.C., work on Capitol Hill, and change the law. Let people know that what we're doing is wrong. Well, I went to Washington. I ended up working on Capitol Hill for a farm organization. And, you know, going around and telling people what we're doing in agriculture is wrong was not the happiest message in the world. But it was true. We needed to make some change. It's not like today. You know, you drive down the street today and Burger King has the Impossible Burger. Can you imagine back then in the 1980s telling people that they were going to sell a plant-based burger at a fast food drive-in? Was almost impossible to ever think about it, let alone have it. But I started out, I did what I could. I was ending up doing 100 radio shows a week. I was talking about people making a change, saving the environment, saving ourselves, saving the animals. And all of a sudden, Oprah heard about mad cow disease, and the only person that was on the media market in the United States of America that was talking about it was me. So she invited me. I went there. I talked. And, you know, when she said, "That stops me cold, I will never again eat a burger," it was like the death knell to the animal industry.
So thank you so much for tuning in today. If we helped you in any way, then click the subscribe button and let's keep hanging out together. We have so much more to share with you.
And if you need more information on actually making the switch for good, please visit us at switchforgood.org for loads of info. And you can subscribe to our mailing list where you will receive all sorts of super cool gifts, discount codes to our very fave dairy-free products, and a lifetime of powerful health tips.
So join us on the journey to switch for good. This is the future.